Every day on an empty stomach, he chewed or drank 2 cloves. No one could believe what happened to his body after 7 days. Right now, at this very second, a war you cannot feel might be taking place inside your body. Harmful bacteria you cannot see, blood sugar slowly spiraling out of control, and chronic inflammation silently progressing. Moreover, since no symptoms appear on the surface, you might think everything is fine for a long time. However, if this hidden process continues, the situation will not just stop at simple fatigue. Over time, it lays the groundwork for serious chronic diseases. What if I told you there is a miraculous solution that can counter this silent danger used in medical history for thousands of years? Virtually free and waiting for you in your kitchen right now. When you start practicing this method every morning on an empty stomach, your body begins to change silently but deeply, day by day. Does it sound too simple to be true? I thought the same thing until I looked at what science had to say about it. Let's examine day by day what happens when we take this ancient secret approved by modern science, namely cloves, into our bodies in a 7-day cycle. Moreover, the final effect on the 7th day will surprise you more than anything else. The forgotten power of ancient medicine. Cloves have been actively used in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and medieval Arabic medicine for over 3,000 years. And the reason ancient people did this is not because they were naive. It was because this method truly worked. Modern science today is simply validating the practical knowledge of the past in a laboratory setting. We haven't lost this miraculous answer. We just stopped looking in the right place for a long time. What we are talking about here is not an expensive food supplement or heavy clove oil as ostosh. Just dust the 2 dry clove buds in a glass of hot water, sun. It's that simple. In fact, the most powerful things in life are often hidden behind the most ordinary looking ones. So, what do these tiny buds do layer by layer when they meet hot water and enter your body, mooks? On the first day, the cellular shield is activated. On the first day, you drank the water of 2 cloves, you steeped in hot water for 10 minutes on an empty stomach in the morning. Your body is likely hit by a more intense antioxidant bombardment than it has received in a very long time. Research shows that cloves are one of the foods with the highest antioxidant concentration on the planet. In fact, it single-handedly surpasses the antioxidant levels of blueberries, pomegranates, and green tea. It provides a much stronger protection than many products sold under the name of superfoods, inexpensive health stores. You might not feel a sharp change on the first day. However, a massive defense shield against the oxidative stress that destroys your tissues from within at a cellular level has begun to be built. On the second day, silent inflammation begins to recede. On the second day, eugenol, the primary active compound in cloves, takes the stage. Studies published in medical journals show that eugenol suppresses the inflammation markers targeted by many synthetic drugs without showing side effects or creating high costs as anticipating high costs. Your body begins to reduce that chronic background inflammation it has been carrying unknowingly for years. The heaviness in your joints, that feeling of worrying at half capacity when you wake up in the morning, and chronic fatigue are a result of this inflammation. And on the second day, this process begins to break ants. On the third day, the digestive system relaxes. Most people try a method. They give up when they don't see an instant miracle in a day or 2. This is exactly why most people fail to see results. But you made it to the third day. Today, the cloves' potent antibacterial and antifungal properties start working in your digestive system. Research shows that cloves can even suppress certain antibiotic-resistant harmful bacteria in the gut. By the end of the third day, you begin to feel less bloated and experience lightness after meals. Your digestive system finally signals that everything is falling into place. Day 4 is time for blood sugar balance. On day 4, cloves start to directly affect your blood sugar levels. Clinical studies prove that regular clove consumption increases the cell's sensitivity to insulin. This means your cells start using blood sugar as efficiently as they should. Thus, sugar does not accumulate in the blood to cause damage. If you wake up with brain fog and NADAG, experience sudden energy crashes after meals or struggle to control cravings, this is a sign of unstable blood sugar. Cloves balance exactly this mechanism. This directly determines your mood, energy, and weight throughout the day. 5. Day detox support for the liver. 5. By day 5, your liver switches to a more active cleaning mode. Compounds in cloves stimulate bile production, which the liver needs to process fats and flush out toxins. It is scientifically known that eugenol protects liver cells from damage. When the liver is overloaded, it reflects externally as dull skin, constant fatigue, and morning grogginess. Cloves are no magic trick, but they provide great support for your liver, which deals with hundreds of chemicals daily, helping it work cleaner and faster. On day 5, you may notice your skin revitalizing and that heavy afternoon sleepiness decreasing. Day 6, secret support for bone density. On day 6, a hidden effect that almost no one talks about emerges: bone health. Studies show that compounds in cloves, especially eugenol, can slow the degradation of bone tissue and support bone density. Especially for individuals over 40, this effect is a wonderful precaution to take before problems even appear. No major pharmaceutical company will tell you this, but the scientific facts are clear. Day 7, cortisol drops. Take a deep breath, and we've reached the most surprising day. If you have consistently completed these 7 days, you will begin to feel a noticeable change in your sleep quality and stress levels. Cloves are not a direct sedative. However, they have the ability to lower cortisol, known as the stress hormone. This soothing effect on the nervous system removes that background tension you carry in your body all day. When you lie down at night, feeling less anxiety, an easier transition to sleep, and your body finally taking a deep breath is the greatest reward of these 7 days. The biggest mistakes made when applying this method. To get the maximum benefit from clove water, you must follow these critical rules. Quantity: only 2 buds, not 10, and not a handful. Cloves contain very concentrated compounds. Too much can irritate the mucosa and strain the system. Timing: on an empty stomach in the morning. Absorption of active compounds is much higher when the stomach is empty before eating anything. Those who wish can also drink it an hour before going to bed for its calming effect. Preparation: place 2 clove buds into a glass. Pour boiling water over them. Cover the glass and let it steep for 10 minutes. Do not boil the cloves in the water. Boiling destroys some of the active compounds inside. Clove oil warning: never drink clove oil directly. The oil form is highly concentrated. It can damage the stomach lining and cause serious side effects. Our recipe is only for clove bud water. Consult your doctor. If you use blood thinning medication or have a serious stomach condition, you must consult your doctor first, as cloves can affect blood clotting.